Welcome everybody to Supreme Family Garden. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. My wife is being hard on me today. She's being really hard on me today. Tell her to be nice to me. It's Monday. Be nice Monday. Anyway, this is what we got going on over here today. Come on, honey, follow me. Bring all of my family and friends along. Show them what old Supreme's up to today. Now, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Being a gardener, loving plants the way that I love plants, this is one of the hardest things that I've ever had to do. If you see so far these papaya plants, these babies are grown this year from a seed, okay? As I explained to you before, a little early in the video. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to pull these up. Female. Okay, now this is probably about 5 months old. Looks like a cavity, like a tooth, like the roots of a tooth. Doesn't it? Doesn't this look? My wife, she's not talking to me, y'all, so I'm talking to you all right now. Look at that. Okay, honey, you want to come in? This here is a avocado that I grew from seed. It's about 3-4 years old. I'm gonna keep this, but I am gonna dig it up. This here's a plant that we've never shown you guys. Reason being, we didn't know it was back here. Come on. Look at this pepper plant. You wanna taste one, Grouch? Kind of like pop it open and rub the insides on your pretty lips. All right, guys, let me continue because she's giving me a mean look. Oh. Bad camera person.
So what these? You throwing these in the trash?
Yes, baby, I have nothing else to do with them. Keep my dirt. That one came out pretty easy. Oh, baby, here's another pepper plant. Guys, look at this. I almost forgot the camera was going. I'm trying to show it to my wife. Look at that, baby. We gotta just pop it back so it'll push out that way. Whenever I do this, y'all, she gets upset with me. Oh, Jesus, you're gonna hurt the poor tree. Guys, again, we have about 30 or 40 of these planted up in the back, and a lot more that we're going to be getting rid of. So again, if you live close by and you can get a hold of us a lot very quick this week, we'd be more than happy to give you as many papaya plants as you'd like. This was our big, large mango. I think this is a Keith mango, and that cold snap sapped it back. There's another pepper plant right here. See it? See it, honey? Right there. And right here. And there's another one over here. See it? And again, guys, this is only about 4 months grown from seed. 4 months. Whenever you guys, great tip for everyone. Whenever you guys want to grow papayas, mulch, coffee grounds, compost, you guys should have very great success. Jesus. Lord, give me strength. Slow it down so I can look strong, baby. Slow it down like Steve Austin or somebody. So guys, if we think about it, we can go to a supermarket. I got dirt. I gotta go to work. We can buy 1 papaya, okay? Even if you don't get fruit and say you get 10 plants just to grow, okay? You can actually take these and use them as organic fertilizer. So it's a win-win, okay? Eat the fruit, save the seeds, make fertilizer. Tip of the day. Now when I pull this one out, it was going right under this mango plant, so I'm gonna leave it here and go ahead and pot it up. I'll pot it up ASAP. It really bothers me to take this down, man, because I know there's a lot of hungry people out in the world who need something. But I'm gonna tell you guys about my friends. Not all of them now, some of them. If I tell them, hey, we got some free trees, what they'll want me to do, dig it up, pot it up, and bring it to the house and plant it. So I can't do all of that. But now if you guys want to come get it, come on. Heard that. All right, guys, we're gonna walk you around here and show you some other papaya plants, but we're gonna actually leave these.
Hold on.
All right, now over here, guys. This is another one of our papayas. Isn't that pretty? Did you show them the one that's in the pot? No. And this one here, guys, I remember eating, once again, go back to my other papaya video and you'll see that we had huge papayas here. But you're only gonna harvest a nice abundance, probably, I'd say we did well on this tree about 3 years. After that, dig them up, replace them. That's why we have one here and one there. But with all the snake infestations, no more. Let's check it out. If anybody wants to come and purchase this tree for a special Monday Supreme price, $30, you can have it. All right, we're gonna show you some little straggler papayas. Follow me. She's still giving me a hard time. All right, guys, look at here. I remember one night, she had me out here slaving. I was working hard, and I was thirsty. Didn't want to go in the house, so I went in there. I went in the back, grabbed myself a papaya, and I remember tossing the seeds over here, and look. Look at all the little baby ones popping up around here. Again, everyone, this is how easy it is to grow these things. Oh, look at this. Look at that. The fruit's bigger than the tree. Oh, honey, see? We're just gonna feed this tree here with these things. And around here, we have a lot more. And again, if you look here, baby papayas. And again, they don't root that deep. See here? It's only about 1.5 inches. Here's one. So guys, this is a male. He was the latest man, honey. Do you want to know why I say he's the latest man? Because he was surrounded by all the females. And guys, if you don't know what a male papaya plant is, if you look right here, those are his little peepees. You don't need a male, but it does help with production. Come on, fella. All right, guys, one more area. Oh, again, honey, show them how we. This is how we're getting. This is our pecan tree. Let's see how we're getting rid of all the mulch because of the snake infestation. And again, I'm not saying that mulch is a bad thing. It's the best thing to start your plants. But again, if you live in a rural area, please, please be careful. Please be careful. Okay. What we're gonna do with a lot of these, this is gonna be my fertilizer for my plants for next year. Honey, you don't think God gonna be mad I'm digging these up, do you? You still peeved at me? Honey, I'm scared of snakes.
Wasteful.
It's not wasteful.
Very
I'm scared
much
of
so.
snakes. I see y'all, she's telling me I'm being wasteful, but the other day when the snake comes to the house, she screams in the back for me to run inside and kill a snake now. But I'm doing this for you, baby. I don't want nothing to happen to you. Nobody else gonna fry my chicken liver and my chicken gizzards better than you, right? Oh, there's a subscriber who watched the channel. I think her name is Carol Thomas or Carol Timmons, but you know who you are if you're watching this video.
I think it's Timmons.
Okay. You live in an area where there was a hurricane that damaged a lot of your belongings in your garden. We still have an abundant amount of seeds that were donated to the channel. So again, guys, if anyone who wants to donate anything to the channel towards mailing out seeds to those who need them, because it is getting very hard out here. Okay, we still have probably about 200 to 300 packs of seeds. Okay. And also, Miss Carol, let us know and we'll try our best to get whatever we can out to you guys. You want to help Daddy D? Like right now, guys, I'm afraid with my dogs even being next to this mulch because with my luck, there's a rattlesnake somewhere in here. But you telling me to keep the doggone mulch. Hey, baby, get on down now. Daddy gotta go to work. Trying to bring it this way, let them see this one. No, 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 no. Isn't that a healthy tree? Now look at this one. It's about to bear fruit.
Not anymore, it won't.
Maybe all trees go to heaven. God will let it bear some papaya up there with him.
God gonna make it so where you can't go nothing else.
He know I'm doing this for you.
Not for me.
All trees go to heaven, right?
And I don't even eat papaya.
I hope a snake pops out right now while we live on camera.
I do want a new phone, so go ahead.
Not this. And look over here. Guys, I'm telling you, if I dig in this right now, I guarantee a snake's gonna come out. I feel it in my bones. Actually, I feel it in my heart because I'm having palpitations because I don't have a stick in my hand to shoo it off. So I'm not gonna do it. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 2. We're gonna show you our finished project behind our detach. May God bless each and every one of you. Grow something.